I'm O.
I'm V. And today we are going to be making dark chocolate raspberry cheesecake bars.
Doesn't it look so good? I love cheesecake. And I wonder how this will taste. Raspberries in it, dark chocolate chips. Ooh, yummy. And oil crust. Yummy.
And for the first, we're gonna
pan. Put plastic the foil on the pan.
we're gonna make the crust with 20.
And we're gonna heat up. So we're gonna press bake 350, and then press start. And then it goes to 100. Then it'll go up to 350, and then the oven will beep, and then it's ready to go in. And let's go back. We're gonna start making the crust.
Yummy Oreos.
We need 20 of them. So.
And a double stuff.
And we're gonna come over here and make this huge blender. We're gonna open the lid, put in 20. And we're done. So once you're done, crust and melted butter in. There it goes. Whoa.
Look at that.
Now we're gonna put it in.
Now we're gonna put the butter in.
Whoa, look at that. Whoa.
Okay, now we're gonna
Mix it up and then put it in there. Which I'll pour it because you mix it fast. And it should almost look like this.
Yeah.
Make sure it's full in there.
Yummy.
Oh, it smells so good. Now we're gonna pour it all in. Look at that yumminess.
And we're gonna make a flat.
Oh, look at that. And get all of it out. Oh, that looks yummy. Okay, put the ball.
So now you're gonna make a flat crust.
Now we're gonna flatten it. Okay, so we are gonna be making the filling, which we need.
So we
need cream cheese right here.
Okay, so we need the cream cheese. Okay, so
We need the other one.
We need 2 cream cheeses.
And 16 ounces. Next, we need to do the egg. So here's the egg. So let's pour this in. Whoa, look at that. Next. Oh, you messed it up. Next, we're gonna put the sugar in.
So here's the sugar.
Woo! And then we're gonna put vanilla, which I'll do the vanilla. So vanilla right here.
And with the vanilla, we're gonna be putting in.
Let's pour some vanilla in.
Okay, that's good.
That's good.
Okay, let's flip.
Pour it.
Okay, now let's get the.
Now let's pour in. Now we have to mix it up. Let's go over here.
Now we're going to fold in some yummy dark chocolate. Now we're going to fold in some dark chocolate chips. It looks yummy. You do this one.
Now we're going to add in about a third cup of raspberries. And fold it. Look at that. Isn't that yummy? Ooh. Yummy, yummy. It's good. So now I'm going to fold it gently. Don't want to break them because that would just be terrible. Broke them. Oh, look at that yummy. Look at that. Don't you think that's delicious? If you do, then
You might not make this.
Now we're done folding it up.
And we're going to eat these raspberries.
It's gonna taste good. Ooh, the crust is done. Smells so good. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that delicious? Look at that. Oh, I want to eat it. It smells so good. So now we're going to be pouring this
In the pan with
in the pan. So let's pour it. Whoa, look at that. Oh, yeah. Hold it. Whoa, oh. Yummy. Look at that. Now we're going to put it in the oven for 30 minutes. Oh, I wonder what it'll turn out like. Close it up. It's so good.